Hi, welcome to Knowla. My name is Chidi, and in this video, I will be educating you on how to navigate through the website. Knowla is an educative platform that is designed for students, educators, and creators as well. If you're a creator, if you're a student, if you're an educator, Knowla is meant for you. Okay, Knowla serves four main sections. And there are four main sections on Knowla at the moment, which is the blogging section, the exam section, the bookshop, and the institutions. Okay, so on the institution section, on the institution section, that's where you see your schools. Okay, have access to your school materials. You can explore each school. If your school is not here, you can reach out to us to include your school. Okay, so this is your school. Visit your school. You have access to your school materials. Okay, then the next section is the bookshop. Okay, the bookshop section is not yet very active. You cannot sell on the platform for now. Okay, we have not integrated the necessary things needed. Okay, so the materials you are seeing here are just the free materials. They are not licensed. That we uploaded for you. You can use it to pass time. There are storytelling books here as well, but individual selling is not yet open to the general public. If you want to sell, if you have a book and you have license to sell the book, you can still reach out to us for that. Okay, then we have the exam section. This is where you browse, you see your school exam, any form of exam that you can think of. Okay, these are the current one. This is also the section you'll be seeing all these exam competition quiz that will be coming up. Okay, so this is the exam section. You can write your exam, enter the lobby. This is the exam lobby. You can start the exam, you can chat in the exam lobby, you can challenge a friend. When users come online, you will see the people online and you can challenge anyone. Alright. Okay, then we have the blogging section. This is an interesting section as well, where if you're a writer, a content writer, a creator, you can write your article, you can write your story, you can write any educative content that you can think of. You can also write news. Okay, if you are a journalist, you can also write your articles and your blogs and your news on this platform. Okay, this is the laptop view. Let me switch to mobile view so that you'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is the mobile view. I'm trying to be as fast as I can. So this is the mobile view. This is the home page. Okay, then on the platform, when you click on this profile icon, on your profile icon, you will be able to see the piece where you upload books, your dashboard, and your profile settings. Okay, if you want to upload a book, click on upload book. That is, if you want to upload the class material, the class materials includes questions, class notes, and so on. Okay, you go to upload book, then select class material. Sell a book is when it is open. It is not yet open for sale. You cannot sell a book as of the moment. Okay, you click on class materials, input the material type. If it is a class note, then the other information, fill the details. Then if you want to upload the document or the picture, you click on choose file. It will take you to your file manager. Then you select the document you want to upload. When you select it, click on open. Then if this is the right document, you now have to click on upload one file. If you now click on upload one file, the file will now upload. The same thing for uploading of images. Okay, after uploading, then you now click on upload material, select, make sure you read the terms and conditions. If it's okay by you, you select that you have read it and you agree to the terms, then you click on upload. Okay, that's it for uploading of books. Then let's go to dashboard. This is where you see your dashboard. This is where you see everything, your activity, whatever you have done on the platform. This is click on, if you want to click your daily gems, you click on the daily claim button. When you click on it, it will take you to the gem page where you can claim button. Then at the top left, you will see the hamburger menu there. When you click on it, it will show you these pages. From here, you can have access to your blogs, your downloads, your wallet. Your wallet includes your gems and everything. Okay, there are some pages that are not yet functional. We all know that this is a new platform, so there's still a lot of integrations to be made. Okay, then your profile settings. Your profile settings is where you set up your details, your name, username, and everything you need to set up. Your profile picture, your this is where you, if you want to set your notification preference, then billing and banking settings. This is where you can subscribe if you want to subscribe. Okay, this is where you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, you click on subscribe now. It will take you to where you do the subscription. Okay, then here is where you add the account details for receiving of payments and so on. Okay, so I think that's basically what the platform is. Okay, so I really hope you enjoy Knowla. If you have any questions